In this video, I am going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in your Notion databases so you can focus only on what's active. This will help keep your workspace clean and organized. Let's get started. Go to notion.so and sign into your account. Double check you're signed into the right workspace. Choose the page that contains the database you want to update. Open the page so you can edit your database view. Click the filter icon at the top right of your database. This will let you set rules for what shows up in your view. Choose Status in the filter options. This tells Notion to filter tasks by their status property. Check all the status options except for Completed. This will hide all tasks marked as completed and only show the rest. And that's how you hide completed tasks in Notion. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick Notion tutorials. See you next time!